Now we want to create a sample program. In the 808D controller, we have two possibilities of creating a program. The first method is to do only in G-code DIN, which is an international standard of programming. And the second way is to use cycles which reduce the length of the program. For the video tutorials, we want to make a sample program using the Siemens cycles that are standard in the control. Programs can be created in the Program Manager. Press the Program Manager button located on the control. Press NC as a storage location of the program. Programs can only be created in the NC. Now you see an Explorer view on the screen. You have the possibility to create a new folder or create a program in the root of the NC area. In our case, we create a folder named Tutorial Videos first. Press New Soft-key followed by the New Directory Soft-key. Enter the name using the keyboard and confirm with OK Soft-key. Cursor over the folder and press the Input button. Now we can create a new file within the folder. Press the New Soft-key again, type in the name, sample part, and press the OK Soft-key. Cursor over the file name, press the Input button. The program is now open and ready for editing.